Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kurumi. Today we are going to talk about how to use お疲れ様 properly in formal situations. So from the last two videos, I talk about お疲れ様, which is a basic phrases in Japan and people use them a lot. In casual way, you can just say お疲れ or お疲れ様, but in formal way, there are two ways of saying it. お疲れ様です and お疲れ様でした. Each has a little different meaning, so they can be used differently depending on situations. Can you use them differently depending on situations?
I don't know.
Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's check what is お疲れ様. お疲れ様 is a phrase you say to others who are working or finishing some task or project, such as presentations, speech, and so on. You can use this phrase at school or at work. If you want to know how it is used in casual situation, you can watch this video. This phrase is so useful that many Japanese people use, so you definitely should learn this word. お疲れ様です。お疲れ様です is a phrase you say to others who are already working on task or finishes task. For instance, when you go to work and some people are already working on their task. If it was morning, you can just say おはようございます. But if it was not morning, you can say to them お疲れ様です. And in that case, you don't say こんにちは or こんばんは. You can just say お疲れ様です.お疲れ様です。お疲れ様です。お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様でした can be used when you and your coworker or your teammates finish some big projects or long-term projects. For example, on the final day of dance event, after finishing all the stages, the performers can say to each other, お疲れ様でした because they finished such a big event. Then quit. When you meet someone who are already working on their task, what would you say? Which phrase would you use? お疲れ様です or お疲れ様でした. The answer is お疲れ様です. So, did you understand the differences between お疲れ様です and お疲れ様でした?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I hope this video would help you. So, in this channel, I'm going to teach how to use Japanese differently and naturally based on your personality. If you like this video or interested in my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. Also, I do a live stream on Hello Talk, so if you are interested in, let me know on comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Hey.
した。